Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where luxury, innovation, and speed meet on wheels. Today you are about to witness something truly extraordinary. Bugatti, the legendary automaker known for hypercars like the Chiron and the Veyron, has now entered the world of motorhomes. And believe me, this is not just another luxury RV, this is a groundbreaking creation, a motorhome that is actually faster than many supercars. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is here to shock the automotive industry and set new benchmarks for speed, design, and ultimate comfort. From the outside, the design immediately commands attention. It carries Bugatti's DNA, sharp lines, flowing curves, a carbon fiber body, and an aggressive aerodynamic stance that looks ready to dominate highways. This is a motorhome with the soul of a hypercar. Equipped with Bugatti's W16 quad-turbocharged hybrid engine, it produces more than 500 horsepower. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. An insane number for a vehicle of this size. And yet, despite its raw power, it cruises like a private yacht, delivering smoothness and elegance that only Bugatti can achieve. But let's step inside because the magic doesn't stop with performance. The living room is a masterpiece of design and technology. You're welcomed by handcrafted Italian leather seating, a massive 100-inch 8K smart screen, and panoramic smart glass windows that can shift from clear to tinted instantly. Ambient lighting wraps the room in luxury, creating an atmosphere that feels like a mix of private jet and futuristic lounge. In the kitchen, Bugatti takes practicality and turns it into art. Marble countertops, stainless steel fixtures, a smart refrigerator, and a fully digital control system make cooking effortless. There's even an AI cooking assistant that suggests meals and prep settings for you. A wine cooler and coffee system are neatly integrated, adding touches of sophistication. The bedroom is pure luxury and relaxation. A king-size bed with memory foam and silk linens, climate control hidden in the walls, and a ceiling projection that displays a customizable starry night sky. It's designed to be your sanctuary on wheels, a place where rest feels just as prestigious as the journey itself. And then comes the bathroom, an experience on its own. Gold-accented fixtures, rainfall shower, heated flooring, and smart mirrors that can stream entertainment or news while you freshen up. This is not just a bathroom, it's a moving spa. Every single detail of the Bugatti Motorhome 2026 reflects perfection, innovation, and exclusivity. It's not just transportation, it's an empire on wheels, designed for billionaires who want speed without sacrificing comfort. So sit back and imagine yourself behind the wheel of a Bugatti motorhome, traveling faster, smarter, and more luxuriously than ever before. This is the future of luxury travel, and Bugatti has just rewritten the rules.